So the class I have here at IMC is a really great class. There are a bunch of guys who are really interactive and like to provide their examples of what they do in their plant in the vein of what we're talking about going through the modules of the course.
It's not just the instruction. The instruction's great. It's not just the instructors. It's also being around other maintenance managers and sharing ideas and having issues at your facility and coming to the class and getting answers from the instructor on things that you're having problems with and how to go back and resolve them, but also on the fellow person that's in the classroom with you just went through the same experience and this is what they did to get through it, or they're dealing with the same thing and we get to sit down and we get to brainstorm with one another to understand, man, yeah, when I get back, that's what I'm gonna do.
And I think that's really good because it adds a lot to the value that the people are getting from the training.
So it's been great for me.